Well, if you do not have an expensive drone, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to fake a drone follow shot. Possible, but how did I achieve those shots? All by myself, all alone. That's gonna come in the next video, so stay tuned on my channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, greetings. AliShanMao here. How are you people? I hope you are staying safe and happy. Yes, of course, if you have RC helicopter like this one, the FW Bell 206 Ranger, and you want to get a follow shot, in-flight follow shot using a drone for this helicopter because you want to show how good it looks during the flight. Well, for that you would need to have an expensive drone that can actually track such a small helicopter in flight and be able to keep up with it while it's flying around. Well, if you do not have an expensive drone, in this video today I'm going to show you how to fake a drone follow shot, a drone following your RC helicopter while it's flying. The things that you need to fake this drone follow shot is, of course, one of your RC helicopter or anything that you want to follow, anything that can fly slow and nice, and most preferably have some kind of auto flight feature. In my case, I have Flywing Bell 206 Ranger helicopter that has auto circle flight. Okay, now next thing you need an insta360 long selfie. That is an invisible selfie stick right here, a long one that can stretch really nice and long, so you can put it at a good altitude. You will need an insta360 Go2 action camera. After that, there's a pivoting insta360 Go holder, so put your camera in it, okay? And make sure to point it away from the selfie stick. You can always get a shot like this, but you will have selfie stick in the view. So point it away from selfie stick and do whatever leveling you want. Make sure your Insta360 Go2 is in Pro video mode. You can easily check it using the pod, okay? And this pod, once connected, will show you what mode, shooting mode it is in. So put it in Pro video mode and use it as a remote control to stop shooting anytime. All right, helicopter is in the air. So I'll put my radio here and hope nothing happens. Set the angle on the camera. And first shot I want to do is just follow it. And get ready to run. Start recording. Yeah, it's good. Oh, too close to the propellers. Too close to the rotors. Come on, lose the altitude, please. Like this, downward, slightly downward, low altitude. This could turn out very good, I think. Now, go ahead and check out this little video I put together for you, a little edit shot with Insta360 Go2 thumb action camera, the tiny mighty action camera, and faking a drone following my Bell 206 Ranger RC helicopter shot. I had a little good exercise running around. I was feeling cold. I'm wearing a jacket this morning, but now I have to put it on my scooter because I knew I had to run and I would feel hot. Well, this is how you fake a drone following your RC helicopter shot. Similarly, you can use this technique with Go2 Tiny Mighty Thumb action camera and fake any drone follow me shots. Get amazing follow me shots for RC vehicle, especially if you have rock crawlers or off-roaders. You go for off-road trailing with those slow-moving RC off-roader, RC rock crawlers. This camera can record some stunning following shots of those vehicles while you are trailing off-roading with those vehicles. Similarly, for RC vehicle, you can do the same. Your ride shots, if your friend can run faster for you, you can do the same with this one. However, if mount this camera with a selfie stick on your scooter and extend the selfie stick, you will see the selfie stick in the view. And yes, that was another question, because a number of people saw me riding scooters and it seems like somebody is following me from the front or side very closely. A drone would never do that. Another person on another scooter with a camera, possible. But how did I achieve those shots? All by myself, all alone. That's gonna come in the next video, so stay tuned on my channel, subscribe, hit that little bell icon, turn on all the notifications so that you stay updated for the next upload, and give this video a big like. So coming up next, how to get your follow me shots on scooters, electric scooters, bicycles, motorcycles, and even car, all by yourself without having any selfie stick in the view, making it look like some professional camera guy is following you while you ride.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.